So if you have a 2015 Mustang convertible and you find water on the driver back or the passenger back, what you want to do is you want to open this up, you want to take these covers off, and you want to blow through it, because right inside the water gets jammed up, probably due to debris and stuff, and then it collects and then it piles inside. So what you want to do is you want to get an air hose, you want to stick it all the way down, and then you want to blow it till you see water coming out. When water is coming out, that means the drain is open.